Hey guys, so I have a bit of pony mail to share with you guys today. So let's see what we have in the box. Apparently a lot of tissue paper. Very responsible seller. Thank you. Alright. We have some My Little Pony accessories here. Here are some more. We've got Twinkles the cat in there, some combs, a little Peachy Parlor, skates, 3 skates, all kinds of things. Let's see what else. Oh, the big one. I'm excited about this. Hang on, it's big. And there it is, a Peachy Parlor with her original box still. Very exciting. So let's see. Oh goodness, it's wrapped. This is such a good seller. A++. Alright, who do we have here? We have a cute little vintage barrette and, oh how cute, it's a little apron? I don't know, it's tied on the pony, but I don't know if it's really in My Little Pony. Kind of looks like it might be, I don't know. So that's Medley. And Peachy. Let's see. Oh, that is the strap for the little cat carrier. Let's see here. Eventually, there we go. Oh, come on. All right. Oh, wow. She's nice. There's a few little surface. Oh, she has a little bow on her tail still. She's actually in nice shape. Well, one little age spot, but she might clean up just fine. All right. Oh, come back. Let's see here. And, oh, we've got more. Oh, at the bottom of the box. Okay. Alright. I'm going to set that back here. And then, let's see, we've got our parlor. Get some of that paper out of the way. Oh my gosh, look at that sticker. We have the Pretty Parlor, and it even has one of the original stickers for Medley still stuck to it. How cute. And we have nice looking stickers inside still. That's good. Not a lot of yellowing. Kinds of things that make me happy. So looks like we have the instructions that came with the box. We have a few more of our labels. And My Little Pony, Peachy was adjusting her straw hat in the Pretty Parlor mirror when she saw it was 5 minutes before the hour. "It's almost time," she told her pet kitty Twinkles. As she hooked up her bridle and saddle, Peachy offered Twinkles a ride. "We don't want to be late for today's tea party." Quickly, Twinkles jumped on Peachy's back, and they scurried out the door. "Don't forget the flowers," reminded a mysterious voice. "Who said that?" Twinkles wondered. Looking towards the parlor, they heard the voice again. "I said it. Me, the magical mirror. I didn't see you take the flowers, Peachy." "Can mirrors really see things?" Peachy asked excitedly. "Oh yes, mirrors can see people as clearly as people can see mirrors. Hurry now or you'll be late." Peachy grabbed the bouquet of flowers as Twinkles waved goodbye to the magical mirror. Peachy could hardly wait to tell her friends at the tea party all about the talking mirror. Afterwards, Peachy invited everyone to freshen up in the Pretty Parlor and talk to the magical mirror. Oh my gosh, that is too funny. I never knew the mirror was magical. But I do now. Oh, that's cute. Alright, then we have, oh wow, this is exciting. So we have, is this 2? Oh, it's 2 and 1. Okay, we're going to finish up with the My Little Pony, then we'll look at the Charmkins that came in there. How cool. Oh, I love this already. Alright, so we've got lively, playful little ponies love to frolic all day. And then we have this cute little scene. Oh my gosh, aren't they great? And then it says, My Little Pony is your very special friend. She loves bright, sunny days and the world of let's pretend. See the twinkle in her eye. She's got secrets to share. Delightful adventures await. There's magic in the air. Oh, let's back up so you can see. Look at the sea ponies. And the stable. Oh my goodness. That one's great. So great. Now, oh, this is, I'm going to have to keep this one. This is so cool. Alright, so we have all, there's Seawinkle and Sea Light Wave Dancer. Aren't they cute? And then Bubbles, Bowtie, Applejack, Seashell, Cotton Candy, and Blossom. They've got some pony wear. Oh my gosh, this is like, oh. Their little artwork is so cute. They look just like the real thing. I love it. We've got Moonstone and all the rainbow ponies. There's, oh, where'd it go? Here we go. Oh. These are so cute. I know that growing up, I had that set. And then I know I had skates, so I must have had the great skates. And I know I had this, along with a whole bunch of other ones. I had so many of these sets when I was little. And, oh, there's Peachy and her pretty parlor. And I think I had, okay guys, just to tell you how awesome I remember my childhood being, I know I had all of these. I had all of these sets, and then I sold them all at a garage sale when I was getting a little too old for ponies, supposedly. But here I am, still playing with ponies. But oh my gosh, this is so great. It brings back so much. I love this little brochure. I'm so glad it was in there. Oh, they're so cute. Oh, that could just die. Okay, now, there was a bonus in here. We have some Charmkins. Another great little... Oh, there's more pony stuff. Oh my goodness. There's just all kinds of stuff in here, guys. Okay, visit all of the Charmkins in Charm World. There's a pony. Look at her. I don't know that I collected Charmkins. I was all about a lot of stuff, but I don't think I had any of these. But they are cute. I have a few in my shop right now, and they're pretty darn adorable. Oh, that's cute. So much stuff. Oh. Boy, they just had the stuff that they made back in the 80s was just so creative and so much fun. I'm so glad to see a lot of the designs and the types of toys seem to be coming back around a little bit, so it's a lot of fun to see when they re-release things or things that are similar. What did we get here? My Little Pony, lots more fun inside. For you and My Little Pony. Not available in any store. Is this the mail order catalog? Oh! Oh my gosh! Okay, so we've got your birth flower pony. Oh, how cool. Special album for your scented stickers. Oh my gosh! Well, this was an exciting little batch. I really enjoyed getting to look at these old brochures and pamphlets that they had. Oh, they're so cute. Oh, I just love that artwork. It's great. I love it. Alright guys, well that just about wraps up this video. I hope you enjoyed seeing all the cute nostalgic items in these brochures. Are just adorable. So If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys again next time. Bye!